So at this point in the paragraph, so basically after the paragraph, the writer wants to further reinforce the paragraph's claim about the safety of non-organic food. Which choice most effectively accomplishes this goal? So let's quickly read the last sentence of the paragraph to sort of understand the context and see what we can put that fits and, of course, accomplishes this goal. So we're told that according to organizations such as the US EPA, the minute amounts of residue falling within such limits have no negative impact on human health. So, A. To be labeled organic, a product must meet certain standards determined and monitored by the USDA. So, this doesn't really fit with the context here because here you're talking more about the how safe or unsafe the residue of pesticides is on non-organic food, and this doesn't in any really way reinforce the idea that non-organic food is safe because here it's talking about organic food. So A doesn't really accomplish the goal and it doesn't really fit here. B. Organic food, however, is regulated to eliminate artificial ingredients that include certain types of preservatives, sweeteners, and so on. Again, if the writer wants to reinforce the claim that non-organic food is safe, this doesn't really do it, right? This is, again, just talking about organic food, not, we want to be talking about non-organic food. C. Moreover, consumers who are concerned about ingesting pesticide residue can eliminate much of it by simply washing or peeling produce before eating it. Okay, so that reasonably um, reinforces this claim. And I mean, it definitely fits within the context here because we were just again talking about little tiny bits of pesticide on the crops that have no negative impact on human health. But if someone is still concerned, they can remove it like that. So that's pretty fitting. D. In fact, the EPA estimates that 1/5 of the pesticides used worldwide are applied to crops in the U.S. So yeah, again, that doesn't really do much to. If the author is trying to reinforce the claim that non-organic food is safe, this definitely isn't the way to do it, and it doesn't really fit with the context here, just because again, here you're talking about how tiny little minute amounts of residue are falling within safe limits, and here you're saying that like 20% of all pesticides in the world are used in the US. So a little bit contradicting in terms of the point that you're making. So C is the way to go if this is the goal with this context.